Tell me when. Many times you see videos on Facebook showing you things that seem impossible. The last one we saw was about Lay's chips and how it burns because Lay's is apparently not made from 100% pure potatoes. So we decided to test ourselves to check if it's true. And here goes.
Duncan knows this one. Daddy, Duncan.
Are you gonna like it, dude?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Let's get wild.
Okay, I think that's enough. Watch what happens. Check out chips burn.
What's that just dropping on the floor? That's oil.
No, plastic. And the commentator was right. After being burnt, it doesn't lose shape. It doesn't turn to ash. Sure. What are we putting in our stomachs? Cut.